So I got this board from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for $3.24. It's about 15 by 15 inches. And the inside is like a galvanized metal. So I just took some painter's tape and I just taped off the inside section. So that way when I paint the wood trim, I don't get any paint on the inside. So I took some Antique Villa Wise Owl paint and I just painted the wood section of the board. Now it does have some metal corners and I did paint over those as well. And then I just took a baby wipe and I just wiped off the paint that got on the metal corners. And it did not have to be perfect. I left some of the paint sitting inside these screws there. And then I just removed the painter's tape. I allowed that to dry. And then next I got these yardsticks from Lowe's. You can get them for about $1. And I just framed around the wood on the board. And I ended up cutting 2 at about 14 inches and 2 at about 11 inches. I took a Gen foam brush and some General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain. And I just covered the tops of the yardsticks with the gel stain. Once I had that applied, I just took some paper towel and I wiped off any excess stain. Using some Elmer's wood glue, I attached the cut pieces to the border of the frame. I put the 2 11 inches on the top and bottom and the 2 14-inch pieces on the left and right side. And then I just allowed this to set. I'd grabbed this Garage Official Rules sign right from Dollar Tree. And using some of the Wise Owl Anchor paint, I applied it to both of my son's hands. They were so excited. Now remember, Wise Owl is VOC free. And I put one handprint on the right side on the galvanized metal. And then I took my second son's hand and applied some paint to the palm. And then put that one on the left side of the galvanized metal. I then went back to the Garage Official Rules sign that we had grabbed from Dollar Tree. And I placed it above the handprints. And then at the bottom here, I had found these heavy-duty magnetic bar strips. And using some E6000 and hot glue, I just placed them on the bottom yardstick. I took the E6000 and attached the Garage Official Rules sign to the galvanized metal. And now you have this really cute Garage Official Rules sign that you can give a father or grandfather for Father's Day. And the magnetic strips are heavy duty, so you can hang some of their tools from the bottom. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our webpage or YouTube. Have a great day.